Why is phenylketonuria important? Because it is related to an essential amino acid in our body. Our organism cannot synthesize this amino acid, so we must obtain it from food. If we don't properly metabolize phenylalanine, several problems can occur. New proteins cannot be properly synthesized. Growth in children is impaired. The immune system weakens. Muscle wasting may begin. This disease is also an autosomal recessive genetic disorder, meaning that both parents must carry the defective gene for the child to be affected. When are the difficulties caused by this disease? At birth, there are usually no symptoms. However, if it is not treated, it can lead to intellectual disability and behavioral problems. This happens because exists phenylalanine interference with transport system in the brain and prevents other important amino acids from being properly transported. Normally, phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine through the action of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase with the help of the cofactor tetrahydrobiopterin. When this system is disturbed, phenylalanine accumulation and tyrosine levels decrease, which can cause serious neurological damage and other